As the early morning light begins to rise on the blue of the North Georgia mountains, it reveals the quiet beauty and clarity of the vistas, the lifestyle and the unpolluted environment. The cool breezes caress the trees, and the trees in turn clean the air. The earth protects and cleans the heart of life, water, and it in turn keeps the earth growing, waking, and sleeping, each in its own season. This is the home of the Springs of Elan, Blairsville, Georgia, and the bottling plant of Elan Natural Waters. This state-of-the-art bottling plant, newly completed in 1997, encompasses 60,000 square feet of production and storage area. Fully automated and computer-controlled with recorded data that ensures the precise handling of flow, filtration, UV, and cleansing of the water from the stainless steel vessels through the stainless steel pipes and into the bottling system. Interrupted only by quality control and quality assurance testing to the highest state and federal requirements and beyond. The testing is done by our own quality control and microbiologist laboratory and validated by independent labs, NSF International and National Testing Laboratories. There are 8 self-sealing loading bays to enhance the efficiency of loading and unloading deliveries. This leads directly to a 4-lane superhighway to Atlanta for distribution or for shipping via rail, truck, air, or sea. But the best is the Elan natural water products themselves. The sparkling waters are a very unique and distinctive balance of carbonation and delicate flavors. No caffeine, no sweetness of any kind, no sodium, no trace minerals. Lemon, lime, tangerine, natural, and most unique but delightful, ginger, clove, and anisette. All very clean and very refreshing. The Mountain Sweetwater variety PET sports packs, and the Elan Elite is the purest of water. The Elan Elite is packaged in elegant cobalt blue glass bottles for upscale restaurant use in 2 sizes, 28-ounce and single-serve 10-ounce. The Elan Natural Waters products have received 13 awards in the last 2 years for the label and package design from the International Bottled Water Association. Processing of Elan Natural Waters begins when the natural water is pumped to our 60,000 square foot state-of-the-art bottling facility. The water is first stored in these stainless steel tanks and allowed to rest, much the same as a fine wine. Any particulate matter settles out of the water during this step, leaving the water sparkling clear. The water is then filtered, not once, but 3 times, with filtration meshes as fine as 1/2 micron. To destroy any potential bacteria, the water is then irradiated with high-intensity ultraviolet light and ozonated. Constant quality control and quality assurance testing is done throughout the process to ensure that our standards are met. Standards which are well beyond the highest state and federal requirements for purity and sanitation. Our laboratory performs a variety of physical, chemical, and microbiological checks during the process, and again on each batch of the finished product, monitoring the quality and consistency which is a hallmark of Elan Natural Waters. The highest sanitation and safety standards are maintained throughout the bottling process as well. Elaborate quality control procedures are the norm here, as the empty bottles are thoroughly washed and rinsed to ready them for filling. Precise flow is maintained throughout the filling process. The only interruptions to the closed-circuit bottling process are for quality assurance tests. After capping, the bottles receive their labels and codes and are ready for packing and shipping. Quality control samples of each production run will be kept in our labs for the entire shelf life of the product, offering one more assurance of quality, purity, and consistency. The cases of pure, good-tasting Elan Natural Waters, now wrapped and palletized, are loaded for shipment throughout the world. The final step in the journey that began beneath the North Georgia mountains. In the early days, the highest value of any land was relative to the quality and availability of water. It is today still one of our most taken for granted but vital assets. The smart set of today's busy, high-tech world has reverted to three simple basics that give high returns and low costs. For short-term and long-term health results, drink lots of water, walk or exercise daily, and with a well-balanced diet, our intellect and energy levels soar to equal the highest lifestyle levels of fun and productivity possible. Elan Natural Water. It's the best bargain around. So cost-effective, so easy, and so rewarding.